Royal people, we are back in the studio and we are working. So, January 1st through the 21st, we are embarking on a 21-day fast. This fast will consist of water for those that can for 21 days drink water morning, noon, and night. You also have the option of a Daniel fast, fruits, vegetables, grains, and then you have the option of an intermittent fast. So today I have to produce batch content for 20 channels because once the fast begins, we will not be interrupted by work, right? We're going to be fully focused and engaged in this upcoming fast, a season of consecration, of isolation with God, right? Every day we will start our morning prayer at 6 o'clock in the morning, and we will also be interceding on the behalf of our loved ones, spouses, family, children, grandchildren, parents. And so this is a time where we believe that God is getting ready to do something supernatural. 2025 is just a few days away. Today is December the 29th. It is Sunday. And so we're in the studio. I am working currently on content for our artificial intelligence company. And so we have to build out the channel, building out our logos, and building out our content, making sure that everything is in sync, the LinkedIn, the YouTube, Instagram. And so I want to bring you on this journey. One, because it is an awesome opportunity to look back on anything, any venture that you've started. Look back on the last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 360 days. So today we're in the studio working on content for our artificial intelligence company. We created content today sharing with our audience just some of the innovations that is taking place within the AI space. So there are robots now that work 10 times, 20 times faster than the average person, that have the ability to make coffee, complete laundry, small tasks and large tasks. And so, as we are watching in this space, just how AI is evolving, it's amazing. There are some parts in the process that need fixing, right? But right now, what you are looking at is our studio. One of the favorite apps that I use when I am creating with artificial intelligence is Leonardo AI. So, Leonardo AI has a few features that you can use in order to create. And so they have a new feature out which is called flow state. With flow state, if you are someone that is very new to the artificial intelligence space, flow state helps you to create, right? So you can create t-shirt designs, business logos, book covers, art, images that can help you to be successful in business. So, right here, for example, we have a prompt that I gave to Flow State recently, and this was the images that they came up with, right? So within flow state, if you type in the prompt for what you are desiring, say you're wanting to create a logo for your business, you would type in your business name, and then flow state generates hundreds of images for you to choose from. Once you find the image that you would like, then all you need to do is to click the download icon, and then you can download those images onto your computer. Let's download this. Give me 1 second. We're here trying to multitask as we have created for our Aperture AI Systems channel a few videos today. So what I want to do is to create at least 30 videos today for Aperture AI. They will consist of education. So there are so many individuals that are not familiar with the AI space, artificial intelligence. So we're going to create content that helps to bridge that gap. We're going to create content that educates our customers on what artificial intelligence is, how to utilize artificial intelligence effectively, and how to navigate in the space successfully. So today we are using Leonardo AI. You have ChatGPT, which is another system that you can use for artificial intelligence. We also use vidIO, and for the videos that we are creating for our Aperture AI Systems channel, we are using today in video AI. So I'll show you those applications, how I use them in order to create content for our channels. So let's go first to the video AI, in video AI application. Right now, I am downloading a video. And so give me 1 second while I download this, and I'll share with you what we are looking at in this space. So this is for our Aperture AI Systems channel. And so Aperture AI Systems is a business that bridges the gap for those individuals that are not familiar with AI. It's an education system and tool educating businesses, companies, corporations, insurance companies, medical companies, real estate, right? We deal in all areas. And so it's educating on what artificial intelligence is and how to effectively use and navigate artificial intelligence to be at the top of your industry, right? So we just created a video on InVideo AI, and I am going to log in and download that video and show you how we are working in this space. So we have our Open AI 3. The future of AI is here. Innovative AI tools transforming recruitment. How recruitment is being transformed in the artificial intelligence space to help employers to successfully choose candidates, right? AI is being used. AI is being utilized. Let's log into our system here. We are in video. So we're trying to show you just a little step-by-step process. Just a little step-by-step. Let's see here. History. All right. So this is a new video that we created. I'm getting ready to start our download process. So it's a process, right? You're utilizing multiple artificial intelligence applications in order to create content logos. So let's download this and I will share with you a snippet as well of our video. So it takes a moment to download. We're patient in the process. This is one of the new videos. It's titled Meet the AI Robot That Brews Your Coffee. We heard about, I remember growing up, and I was in a program called the Academy of Science and Technology. And we went, I believe it was downtown, and we saw that was when the internet was coming about, right? And so we saw the information highway. We got to sign on to the internet. That was when you would sign on to AOL was the first you would sign on and you would hear the sign on process when you were signing on to the internet with AOL. It was just so loud, right? Look at how far we've come. Look at how far we've come in terms of technology, right? Where computers used to be these big, monstrous tools. And now, with innovation, they're streamlined, they're slim. Even the main components of the computer used to be this big, a foot tall, maybe about 3 inches wide. And now you can find a full computer the size of your fingers. Right? So small. Technology has evolved and it will continue to evolve. The motto for our Aperture AI company is the future belongs to those who innovate, adapt, and evolve. You should always be innovating. You should always be adapting, evolving. Don't get left behind for fear. Right? Do not get left behind in this time when we are experiencing this transfer of wealth. It's going to be a generational transfer. People are going to be changing the whole legacy of their families just by the knowledge that they have, right? From stocks, bonds, cryptocurrency, innovation, right? Artificial intelligence is the new wave. There is so much you can do with artificial intelligence to enhance your business, to enhance your skills, to enhance your knowledge, right? Those that use artificial intelligence to think for them solely will be in trouble. AI, yes, it can help you to create, to execute, right? But you still want to be in a space where you are growing in knowledge as well, right? That you can identify. So that's what we're doing today. We've created now 3 videos for our Aperture AI company. We're working with our clients behind the scenes, bridging the gap, right? So we have our LinkedIn contact information. We have our Calendly appointments for those individuals that are interested in learning more about artificial intelligence, how you can use it to enhance. And then we have our Aperture AI Systems channel. Type in Aperture AI, all one word, in YouTube, and you will find our new channel, which is tied to our business, our company, right? We're uploading educational content, bridging the gap within the space of artificial intelligence, teaching you as we are learning as well too, right? We're taking our AI Google courses, learning about AI automation, AI in recruitment, AI for businesses, right? So it's a fun process. It's exciting. Someone asked me the other day, "Are you having fun?" Somebody asked me, was I having fun? And I paused for a moment as I thought about the response. Am I having fun? Let me see. I am. I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm evolving, I'm adapting, I'm innovating, and I'm teaching. To be able to teach others about something that you are enjoying, about a process, is altogether lovely, wonderful, beautiful. I wake up when I want to. I go to bed when I'd like. I travel when I want to. And I have people in my circle that I love. How much more fun could I have? This is exciting. So let's take a look. We've created 3 videos today for our Aperture AI company. We added on about another 25 subscribers to our Aperture AI channel. Be sure to go over, subscribe, become a part of the family. We would love to have you. If you have any questions, if there are specific questions that you have in the space of AI and you want us to create a video to answer those questions for you, put it down in the comment section below. So take a look at our videos. The recent uploads that we have on the channel are talking about AI in terms of the recruitment process, talking about introducing you to our Aperture AI company. And then our recent videos were those that showed just the innovations in the AI space in terms of robots, robotics, what robots can actually do. So let's see here. We are getting ready to start our batch process. So we created 3 videos. So one video will go up today, which is Sunday, December 29th. And then the next video will go up the following day. What we like to do on the channel is take a look and to see when our audience is most on the app so that we are giving you the content when you are available. So we're going to check that out, make sure that we are uploading the content at the right time. Timing is everything. Timing is important. So let's take a look. We're downloading content for the Aperture AI channel, and then we will go to one of our Christian motivational channels, making sure to batch this content out, right? We create videos, they're between 1 minute to 10 minutes long. And this is the newest video that we have here. I'm just going to download this first, and then we can go from there. All right, perfect. So this is on the download schedule. And then we can show you a preview. It says, meet the AI robot that brews your coffee. Can you believe that there's a robot that does chores, that brews your coffee, that is like your personal assistant? Wow, we are living in the wave. It's the wave. Okay. So that has been downloaded. Let me give you a little sneak preview. Oh,
You know the one where you stumble to the kitchen half asleep and wrestle with a coffee maker? What if I told you there's a better way, a smarter way? Get ready because the AI coffee robot is here to change the game.
and see, that's just a little preview. Let's pause this. A preview of what to expect. Now let's upload this to our Aperture AI channel. We have to work on the banner as well. Let me make this upload first. Add our title, we add the thumbnail. Okay, that hasn't been downloaded as of yet. Okay. Here we go. So we created the video in video, and now we're uploading to YouTube, and then we'll choose the upload schedule. So when you're batch creating content, you won't release the content until you have decided the time to release. So we're going to release one video today, one tomorrow, and another on the following day. Now let's go and choose our title. Title is important, thumbnail is important. We are working, we are working. Let's see here. So we're going to go to Video IQ. And Video IQ is a very good system. It's a free system to use if you want to unlock additional features within Video IQ. Now, you do have to pay for that, but it's very inexpensive in terms of everything that it offers, right? So let me update the video title here, and I'll show you the process from there. Meet the cutting edge. Meet the cutting edge AI robot that that can brew, let's see here, your coffee. We'll add that to the playlist here. We got work to do. These are going to be considered in the education section. So when you're teaching or you have content that teaches, you want to make sure that you place it in the correct category when you are uploading your video. So, because this is education, we listed it there. So now we've created 3 videos. We're batching content today. Once we start our fast, we will not be in the space of working or uploading. We're just going to be fully concentrated on the fast. So let's get this content together. So now let's go to video here. I don't know why they put that copyright stuff there. To end screen. We're going to add that here. We changed. So next, we will go into let's see here. All right, so we're going to go to Video IQ next, and in Video IQ, I'm looking at the comments.
Your
So
competitors
this is
wish
our
they had
videos here.
with Vibe, you can launch targeted TV and streaming ad campaigns using our powerful platform that combines simplicity.
One thing about
Then
faceless
again,
channels that you have to remember is that
but you can also
it's
tailor
not your
your
personal channel, right? So you can't take the comments personally. Sometimes you see a comment and you want to respond. Let's see. Okay, we're getting some activity on our artificial intelligence channel today. Do something today that your future self will thank you for, right? It's time to start making progress. Don't get left behind because you're afraid to admit that you're not savvy in a certain area. So this is our Aperture AI Systems channel right here. And today we came in to work on our thumbnail, the background, which is the banner right there in the background. That is supposed to be robots, right? Created from AI, artificial intelligence. And then this is our icon here. We have had the ability to use a wide variety of icons and build them. So over the year, we'll continue to change out that image. And then we're going to also link our social media information here. This is just some of the shorts that we created on the channel recently. And so with the shorts, it's showing you the innovations within AI. One of the shorts we created today says how ChatGPT is creating a new class of billionaires, right? If you know how to use ChatGPT correctly, then you will become innovative in your field or industry. So we just created our new banner logo. And so we're getting ready for our videos. We're going to go into Video IQ in order to optimize our videos and then set up a release schedule for those videos, right? Okay, so let's go to optimize. Generate optimize. So within Video IQ, you can also create content, right? So you can come up with video ideas as well. So this Meet the Cutting Edge, that's a perfect title. It already has a score of 90. So right now we're getting ready to update the thumbnail for this video. So when you don't create your own thumbnail, YouTube chooses a thumbnail from your actual video. So that's the thumbnail that YouTube chose. We're going in the space of putting in our details for the video. Once you find the detail that matches what you're looking for, you would click apply. And then these are the tags that go into your video. So when people are searching online for AI, once you apply the right tags, they will find your content. So let's go back to the thumbnail space here. And so you have the ability to continue to generate a thumbnail until you find the one that you like, right? So the first one is a thumbnail. It shows a coffee machine, but it has a score of 72, so it's not strong. Brewing with AI. This is the second thumbnail option. And let's see what score it generates here. Okay, so that has a score of 90. That may be an eye-catching thumbnail, right? For your video. So we're going to continue to click until we find the actual one that we love for our video. We have to love it, right? We have to love it. All right, this is another thumbnail option. It's like a little coffee machine. It says 60 miles per hour. Let's continue generating it. You will know when you have found the thumbnail that works for your video. Let's see here. All right. I like to choose between at least 10 options. I feel like if you get at least 10, somewhere within that range, you will find what you like. So this is one where there's a robot just like us, and he has the coffee on the scale. That one has a score of 100. So let's see here. Generate just a few more. I think I like the one. It says beaten by a robot. Oh, that one is pretty funny. Look at this image here. Okay. Let's take a look. So when there's a score of 90 or above, those are the ones that I tend to stick with. And then you choose the one that best fits. So let's go with in video, I would say of the AI video creation tools is one of the top. So I'm going to do some more research so I can create a video that gives you an outline of all the video AI tools that you can use. But in video AI is pretty good. You have Pictory, which is another good tool to use when you're creating content. And then you have VidIO, which is another tool that I use often. VidIO also allows you to use avatars to talk in your video. So if you have like an instruction or something of that nature and you're wanting to have more of an educational format, then VidIO is a really good tool to use. So we've chosen our thumbnail for this video, and this is the thumbnail that we went with. It's called Beaten by a Robot. So it's a few options that you can use, right? You have the bruised coffee, you have our brewing with AI, but this video is talking about AI and how it can work for you, right? So it's a at-home assistant. And so I think the Beaten by a Robot is my favorite out of the two. This one had a score of 96 and just like us had a score of 100. So when you're choosing the best thumbnail for you, you can look at the scores in order to make that determination, right? Even though this one isn't fully 100, I just like how that looks, right? It looks like it's a robot competing against a barista. So here we go. We're working. So you would choose the image that you like, and then you would choose the option apply, publish, and then it will be published to your YouTube video, right? So we're taking you behind the scenes, the studio. We have utilized artificial intelligence to create 3 videos for our Aperture AI Systems company, which is a company that bridges that gap, that divide, educates companies, consumers in terms of what artificial intelligence is. So far, so good. So we chose this one. And you can also edit within vidIQ. So if you want to choose different words, you can click on the edit option. And that way you are able to change the wording as well. So we click publish here. Now we're going to go back to YouTube and we're going to release this video, right? So we're back in our YouTube studio, and this is our video that we just created within video.com, Beaten by a Robot. This is the thumbnail that we chose. The title, Meet the Cutting Edge AI Robot That Can Brew Your Coffee, right? We went into InVideo in order to gather ideas for our video, and this was one of the titles that they gave. From there, we went into ChatGPT, input the title, and then gave ChatGPT our ideas in terms of what we wanted to create as a video. From there, we took the script from ChatGPT and we went to InVideo.com. We entered the script in InVideo. We chose the length of the video that we wanted, which was 10 minutes. We chose the style that we wanted, which was training, and we chose where we wanted to release the video, which was on YouTube. You have the option of choosing YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Right? So now we have added the playlist here. We had added our end screen, and we are going to now make this public. Because the videos that we made public on the channel today were in regards to robotics, this video is fitting with that theme, right? So this is an educational video. We're going to click save, and this should be released now. And now we need to also go into our studio to see on our Aperture AI Systems channel, when is the best time to release content? So we released our first video. It took us under 10 minutes to create that video and to release that video. So AI is streamlining the process, and it also makes the process smooth, right? So it takes not much time at all in order to release content once you have created it. So let's see here. We're going to take a look at the analytics. So far, we have had 127 views on the channel, very new channel, 4 hours of watch time, 9 new subscribers. All right, let's take a look and see. Shows our content, our audience. We have 8 subscribers that return each day. We have 88 unique viewers. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard, and I'm gonna go back to our content. Let's make sure now that we've released this and made this public, we have our end screen. Let's see, we're gonna release OpenAI O3 tomorrow. So let's choose an end screen here. So when you want to choose this release time, you have to go into the studio and choose schedule. From there, you choose the date that you want to release the content. So we're going to choose to have this to be released tomorrow. And the time, let's say around 9 a.m. Set as a premiere, done. And we're going to save that. So let's see if 9 a.m. is a good hour. We're going to go to the next video. This is our innovative AI tools. We're going to set a schedule for this one to be released as well. So let's go here, choose the schedule. And so we're going to have this one to be released the 31st. And we're going to choose also 9 o'clock. So what you can do is take a look at your analytics. And so what will happen is if you see that that is the time that most of your subscribers are online, then you choose that as your release schedule. So we have created 3 videos today. All right. So we created 3 videos, and we also set the release schedule for today. We just released one of our videos. If you go over to our Aperture AI channel, you will see our newest video has been released. So we're going to take a look in the studio, and then we will go to the next.
Their coffee look richer than your friend. Welcome. Let's talk about that morning ritual. You know, the one where you stumble to the kitchen half asleep and wrestle with a coffee maker. Intelligence, or AI, is a revolutionary technology that enables
Aperture AI systems. Today, we are discussing AI. So we have just released our video. Just checking on YouTube now just to see the performance of the video, and then we'll go to another channel and start working on content there. To Aperture AI systems. Today, we are discussing AI recruitment. The future belongs to those Welcome to Aperture AI systems. Today, we are discussing AI. The future belongs to those who innovate. The future belongs to those who innovate. One second, beautiful people. I'm trying to check the analytics for our Aperture AI channel. I'll be right with you. Working on batching some content today. It's a beautiful day. It's a brand new day. Starting some Aperture AI content. Feel good about what we created today for the channel. So now what I am going to do is to check out Video IQ, the studio, to see more ideas for the channel. So far on our Aperture AI channel, very new channel, we just started. So originally the channel had a different name, and once we decided to open up the Aperture AI business, we decided to rename the channel. So the channel has now since been renamed. And so now we have our videos up. The Aperture AI channel, again, is a channel that is bridging that gap and divide. So if you're someone that's not familiar with AI, you don't know a lot about AI, go over and subscribe, type in Aperture AI in your search bar on YouTube, and you will find our channel from there. Let's pull up the channel as well so you can see it, so you're familiar. And so it's Aperture AI Systems. If you type in Aperture AI, the channel will come up. And right now we have about 30 subscribers on the channel, very new. And so this is what it will look like in your YouTube dashboard. Aperture AI Systems. We only have 11 videos, 30 subscribers. We put up today about 4 shorts, and these shorts are around artificial intelligence, the robotics. So as you can see, we're picking up traction, right? You start someplace. The first thing you have to do is start, though. You have to put one foot in front of the other. Get off the sidelines and start. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know everything, right? But start someplace. Educate yourself. Continue to grow, learn, and over time it will become everything that you want. So that is our channel. This is our community here. So the community post, we're going to use it to share ideas in terms of artificial intelligence with our audience. So let's see. Let's go back to the dashboard. What else can we update on our channel in terms of the space? So this is the background. Let's go to the home page. On YouTube, you can also update the setup. We always create playlists for our channel. So if you're interested, you can click on the playlist on Aperture AI in order to get all the content in one. All right. So let's go to switch over to this account.
Welcome to Aperture AI Systems. Today, we are to Aperture AI Systems. Today, we are discussing AI recruitment tools for the future. Welcome to Aperture. Welcome to Aperture AI Systems. We build businesses to embrace the next era of success, cutting edge artificial intelligence and creative solutions. Artificial intelligence, AI.